Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The board of NCB Financial Group is to consider a dividend payment. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB says the directors are to meet on November 17 and the payment of a dividend will be recommended. If the board of directors agree, this would make the first dividend payment from the NCB Financial Group since 2021. The news comes after major leadership changes in the company in July, which included the booting of long-standing CEO Patrick Hilton and Deputy CEO Dennis Cohen. Robert Almeida has filled the CEO chair. The shifts also coincided with the return of NCB Financial Group's chairman Michael Leachin, who cut his leave of absence short and announced the changes. Upon his return, he pledged to work with the team to see the resumption of dividend payments. Shipside operations have resumed at Kingston Wharves Limited after a bomb threat forced the suspension of services on Monday. In a release this afternoon, KWL said emergency teams gave the all clear about 3:15 p.m. The facility was evacuated due to the threat. KWL says full terminal function, warehouse operations, car park and other services will resume at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. It's not yet clear the cost impact of the disruption. This is the latest in a series of bomb threats plaguing local institutions. Last week, a number of schools were evacuated due to similar threats. VM Bank has temporarily closed all its automated banking machines ABMs not linked to a branch. The bank says this is due to increased attempts to compromise its machines. VM says the closures took effect Friday evening and will remain in place until further notice. ABMs linked to branches which were also closed Friday evening reopened today and will operate only during regular business hours. During the disruption of services, the bank has waived fees to customers using point-of-sales machines and ABMs in the multi-link network. Over the years, ABMs have been plagued by cyber criminals trying to snatch banking data from clients using various duplicators and cloning techniques. Recently, National Commercial Bank Jamaica warned customers against scanning QR codes placed in their ABMs as scammers were stealing banking data through this mechanism. The Jamaican dollar gained 8 cents against the U.S. currency at the close of trading on Monday. It now costs an average $156.82 for the U.S. dollar. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.38. $189.57 is the average cost of the pound, while the euro is going for $167.51. And to the stock market now, the JSE index gained 733 points today, while the junior market lost 63 points. Among the 31 winners, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Mayberry Investments, NCB Financial Group, Epic Carbon Property Fund, and VM Investments. The 62 losers were led by Jetcon Corporation, Carbon Flavors and Fragrances, CAC 2000, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican dollar shares. 12 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.